How are you all? Today I thought I'll do a combo lunch. I thought I'll do a sambar, a masal and a raita. For sambar I've used radish, for masala I've used cauliflower and potato, and for raita gooseberry. To prepare this combo lunch, we need only 20 minutes time. For sambar I've taken radish, tomato, small onion, tuvar dal and all the seasonings. And sambar pudi and rock salt. For the masala, I've taken cauliflower, potato, big onions, chili powder, salt, and the seasonings. For the gooseberry raita, I've taken two big gooseberries and I have grated like this using the grater. Boil water in a pressure cooker, add the tuvar dal, turmeric powder, and a few fenugreek seeds. Now close the pressure cooker. Let the tuvar dal get cooked in one stove. In the next burner, add water for the cauliflower to be immersed. I have cut the vegetables, radish, tomato and onion for sambar, and cauliflower, potato and big onion for masala. The cauliflower is immersed in the hot water and the potatoes also cut into cubes and put in water. See, now the tuvar dal is cooked. We have opened the pressure cooker. In the next burner, heat the kadai and pour the oil. After the oil gets heated, add the seasonings: mustard seeds, urad dal, asafoetida, fenugreek powder, curry leaves and stir well. Cook in low flame and add it to the cooked tuvar dal. Now the seasoning for the sambar is over. Now add the oil in the kadai for the masala. Let it get heated. In the meantime, we can add the vegetables, tomato and onion in the cooker for preparing the sambar. We should add required water. Close the cooker. Let the vegetables get cooked in the cooker. Now add the seasonings for the masala. Add mustard seeds, urad dal, sombu, curry leaves and fry in low flame. Then we have to add the onions. Turmeric powder. Once the onions are well cooked, add the potatoes. Retain the water. They can be used in the next step. After 2 seconds, add the water and close with the lid for cooking. One whistle is coming from the cooker. Now the cooker has given 2 whistles. That is enough for the vegetables to get cooked. Now off the flame. In this kadai, the potatoes are half cooked. Now drain the water from the cauliflower and add the cauliflower to the kadai. Stir well and let it get cooked for 2 minutes. In the meantime, open the cooker lid and add the sambar powder, rock salt and required water and let it boil. Now close the lid for the cauliflower and let that also get cooked. The sambar is boiling and in the kadai the cauliflowers are getting cooked. Now add the chili powder and the salt to the cauliflower and let it cook. Closed lid. Now the radish sambar and the cauliflower masala are both ready. Add to the grated gooseberries. After mixing the salt well, add the curd and mix this also well. Now the gooseberry raita is ready. It took me just 20 minutes to prepare this lunch. Radish sambar, cauliflower and potato masala and gooseberry raita. In the description column below this video, I have given the quantity of the ingredients for all the 3 items separately with the recipe to do. Oh, I hear you saying, I must try this lunch combo tomorrow. Please try it and then you will say, oh, it was so yummy in my tummy. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with all your friends and relatives.